A new addition to the office. Growl. Better make it, man. I have your autograph. Better be worth something. Bye, Zoe. Well, we're going to talk a little bit about the Charger and every modification that is currently on the Charger, along with all the modifications that are pretty much no longer on the Charger. So in the beginning of this channel, I started off with a mid-muffler delete. That was my first modification I uploaded to the channel. Then I went ahead and chopped off the resonators to make it a straight pipe. That was short-lived. I ended up putting flowmasters in replacement of where the mid-muffler used to be. So now the current setup is the Flowmaster 40s with the resonators deleted. From there, I moved on to a drop-in K&N filter. I'm not going to talk too much about, the modifications itself. I just want you guys to have a history of, everything that was done to this car. After the drop-in filter, I upgraded the tires. Maybe I upgraded the tires before the drop-in, but that's not the main point. So I upgraded the tires from the 245 stock to 275 Continentals in the back, and I kept the 245s in the front. So the 275s was a huge upgrade. That was a big time upgrade. So anybody that still has 245s, you need to get 275s on there. So after the K&N, the tires, I went ahead and purchased the Scat Pack Stage 1 PCM. Basically, this is just a stock PCM that has a more aggressive tune for an intake and a higher flowing exhaust. So it's a more aggressive tune, that's all. So I put that in. Then I went ahead and put a Corsa powercore cold air intake. And the reason why I did that was because the Scat Pack Stage 1 PCM was tuned for an upgraded intake. So I thought, I'll bite the bullet here and just get an intake. So after that, I went ahead and got the oil catch can. That was a really good purchase, I have to say. From there, I started doing visual modifications. I did the Luxe auto tint. I did some debadging on the car, shaded out the side markers, and I feel like I'm forgetting something. But now, I then upgraded my tire situation and rims. I went from the stock rims to Hellcat replica rims. The Hellcat replica rims are 20 by 9 in the front, 20 by 10 in the back. And I went and put 275 Achilles Desert Hawk UHPs in the front and 315s Desert Hawk UHPs in the back. So, you know, a lot more traction, a lot more grip was now hugging the road. From there, I did the ZL1 Rock Guards because it was just, with the 315s back there, just kicking up so much crap. So I put the Rock Guards on. That was a nice investment right there. Then we're starting to really start getting into modern times here. Then I went ahead and got the shorty headers put on, the hooker shorty headers. And then, oh wait, no, I got the T2 installed, and then I went with the hooker shorty headers. And then after that, I went ahead and got a custom J. Greene emailed tune. And that's pretty much where the car sits at the moment. Those are all the modifications that have been done to the Charger. And you know what? Aha! I forgot my trusty old pedal commander in there. But you know what? I don't even know when I got that thing. I think I got it right before the Diablo tuner. Yeah. Right before the Diablo tuner, I got that. So either way, that's the history. That's the whole kit and caboodle of the Charger. And really, the idea of me doing all these modifications are to find the right combination of what is going to take your RT to that next level. And so far, the modifications that I have right now on the Charger is dynamite. I couldn't ask for a better setup. And my hope is that a lot of you guys watch these videos and learn from the stuff that I'm paying a lot of money to do. I'm paying, you know, a lot to test these things out. And hopefully you guys take that knowledge and say, you know what, this product is good for me. This product sucks for me. This is not what I want to do. And hopefully it helps with your build. So that's currently where I'm at with the Charger. And I hope some of you guys are just enjoying the videos and, you know, just enjoying everything. So guys, enjoy those Hemis. Happy Friday. And keep calm. Mod on.